Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Anissa Fauzia. I will to present my journal review about the socio-scientific issue. Next. Okay, the first journal I'm review it's about the effect of the problem-based learning based socio-scientific issue on the scientific literacy and problem-solving skill of the junior high school student and author to Hestian and Dadan Rosada in years 2020 years. And the background to the journal, this study aims to analyze the influence-based learning, problem-based learning, PBL, based on the socio-scientific issue, PBL, to increase scientific literacy and the problem-solving skill of the junior high school student. For the method, the study used a quasi-experimental research or can call the quasi-experiment. The research was conducted in junior high school SMP Negeri 6 SMP 6 Negeri Yogyakarta in January until March 2020. The research samples was selected by using purposive sampling technique and obtained two classes, namely class 7D as the control class and the 7E as the control experiment. The result for the journal, the data obtained in this study is the data of pre-test, post-test science literacy and the problem-solving skill of the image show that the value the post-test science literacy and the problem-solving skill of the student of the experiment class in the higher than control class. Can you see the table? For the experiment class in the average post-test of the scientific literacy in 76.67 for the control class in 72.12. And for the average post-test of the problem solving for the experiment class in 85.50, and for the control class in 65.76. Through the problem, students are also learning and try to find solution for problem as well as developing skill, the problem-solving ability. And for the problem-based learning-based issue of the socio-scientific perfect for the practicing literacy skill of science student because it is contextual and it can stimulate the student to think of the high level. Okay, the next to the second journal about the title is the effect of the activity carried out in out of school learning environment based on the socio-scientific issue on the decision make of the student. The author Fatime Belkin Kiichi in 2020. The author is Fatime Balkan Kiichi in the 18, the background, the lack of the literature that address the issue of the socio-scientific and learning environment outside of the school together, and they define its influence of the decision make skill of student can be filled with the result. The research, sorry. There's to determine of the effect of the activity again, the decisions make skill of the grade 7 student on issue of the socio-scientific in the world, learning environment outside of the school, and determine the opinion of the student in the study. For the method, the design of the study is embed which is aligned the method the results design is the max use. 21 of the grade 7 students studying in the secondary school in this study, while the questionnaire of decision making 10 is used as the data collection tools. Semi-structured interview was held, test treatment, then test, and the rating market will caution use the analyze the data obtained from the scale of the decisions make tense. Daily Sakaria, Turkey, context analysis is used to analyze the data obtained from the semi-structured interview. For the result, in the concept of the research, focus on the effect of the activity carry out the learning environment beyond the school-based issue socio-ilmiah against the decisions make skill of the student, include in the work groups, in the working group score first, test seconds, and the third and fourth from each subscala in the scale of decisions make student compared with the test fragment. The result of the analysis presented by table. Can you see the table for the result to the result of the score student in the working group in the first, second, three, and the third test. The adults can decisions making questionnaire. Can you see? For the main ranking is for the first ADM key in the 2.05, right? And for the vigilance, first ADMQ and 2026, right? And yeah. So for the X square is for the self-esteem in the decision making in the X square 6.38. For the P 0.039. For the vigilance for the X square is the 12.21. For the P 0.007. For the panic, X square is the 1.24. For the P 0.7743. For the cop out, for the X square 2.42. For the P 0.490. For the complacency, for the X square is the 3.08 for the B, 0.380. And the next to the third, the journal, using the title is using socio-scientific issue in the problem-based learning to enhance science literacy. For the author, the Bibin Rubin and Di Ardianto and Setyaningsih and the Sariningrum and the years in 2029. The background, this study also relevant the learning science is only focused on the scientific concept. This effect gives evidence that the science literacy of the poorly trained student in the learning science in the school, the use of the appropriate context in the learning science can be one of the solutions to the improve the scientific literacy of students, such as problem of the socio-scientific. For the method, the result using the method pseudo experiment involving 64 students of the class 8 junior high school. This research was conducted in one of the junior high school in Cianjur, West Java. The result thus use is not equivalent pre-test and a post-test control group design. The experimental class was given treatment problem-based learning with the issue of the socio-scientific, while the control class using the scientific approach. The research design can be seen in the table 1 below. This scientific literacy of students. This study were divided into 3 dominant, namely the content of the scientific process and the scientific attitude. The student only examines to the domains of scientific literacy, the context of the science and the scientific process. Instrument used to measure it this domain is the multi-choice test. For the result of the can you see the table? For the group, the experiment. For the test to access student science literacy. For the treatment, problem-based learning with socio-scientific issue. And for the post-test, pre-test to assess student science literacy. For the control, for the group control, for the group is of the control, pre-test to assess student science literacy. For the treatment, scientific approach. For the post-test, pre-test to assess student science literacy. The results this study also show there are significant difference between the scientific literacy of the student in the external experimental class and the control class. The increased science literacy of the student in the experiment class is higher than the control class. Can you see the table? For this, the control and the experiment and the control. For the post-test to experiment and the control. The table 3 to the result of student science literacy in dominant of the content science. For the cause of the global warming. For the pretest is 18.5. For the post-test 25.1, and for the end gain to 0.80. For the effect of the global warming, pre-test to 12.9, for the post-test to 16 60.7, for the endgain to 0.46. For the solution toward global warming, for the pretest 40.2, for the post-test to 90.1, for the endgain to 0.57. For the average, for the pretest to 5.2, for the post-test to 20.3, and the endgain to 0.60. Is the table the result student literacy in domain process science. For the average in pretest 50.6, and post-test to 80.5, and again to 0.56. Table 3 show that increased student understanding of the material global warming, a cooperation between groups, and the problem-solving activity in the learning process provide and understand that is meaningful to the student. Well, table 4, the problem-based learning with the issue of the socio-scientific can also increase each indicator of the process of student of the science. Indicator that explain the phenomena scientifically to have in the highest increase compared with the indicator of other process. That discussion activity related to the sociological problem have position impact on the ability of explanation of the student. For the journal, okay, for the journal to about the title is social scientific issue based classroom intervention on grade 10 student learning achievement and the scientific reasoning. For the author, the Linda Karjonka and the Prasad Nuang Karlem in years 2021. The background, this instruction helps students to criticize and the response of the natural of the science understand a high level, and discuss with the scientific reasoning. This student aims to compare the learning achievement and the scientific reasoning student of class 10. This study has to the hypothesis, namely, students who learn by using learning-based issue of the socio-scientific achievement, higher learning than of the inquiry-based learning, and the student who learn by using learning-based issue of the socio-scientific features of the scientific reasoning, which is higher than the of the inquiry-based learning. For the method, result to use the lesson plan based on the issue of socio-scientific inquiry. The test result of the study consists of the 30 grain of about 4 option double test and the test of the scientific reasoning. The statistic using the hypothesis is the t-test independent. For the result, table 1, the average decline in the learning achievement learning based of the socio-scientific is 90.60, While using inquiry-based learning show the average value of the 19.44. The test for t-test, the independent did not show the statistical difference between the group. Can you see the table? Okay, thank you. This study found that there is the problem that should be discussed, the average learning achievement, learning based issue of the socio-scientific learning and the inquiry based on the show statistical difference between the group. The find were not surprising, reportedly because the every lesson plan met the standard, the indicator of the learning that appraised in the natural curriculum. Learn-based issue of the socio-scientific allow students to improve scientific reason. Can improve the scientific reason, the student make the decision based of the evidence, explain what they learned through the scientific discussion. Okay, the journal is the title is development of the science learning material with the socio-scientific issue or SSA on the claim change material to the improve science literacy of junior high school student. For the author, Yaumi Matlazim and the Titik Taufik Rahman in the 2019. Sorry. The background of the journal, this study aims to produce software science learning with the approach of the science socio-scientific issue SSE in the matter of the claim change is to increase the science literacy of junior high school student. The type of this research is developed research with the model Dick and the cry. Yeah. The method, the test device of learning in the classroom using one group, pre-test, post-test design. Result instrument is this result is the validation sheet, observation sheet of the implementation of the learning, observation sheet activity and the test sheet and the student questionnaire response, data collection using the method validation, observation, and the test and the pool. Data analysis technique using quantitative description. For the result of the validation of the skill to get the highest value is the syllabus, while the science process skill which get the lowest score in is the student worksheet. And see the table. For the syllabus, for the score 3.89 is the criteria is very good. For the learning process is the score to 3.80 is the criteria is very good. For the the learning process, the implementation plan is a 3.80 and the criteria is very good. For the technique book is the 3.88 very good. And for the student worksheet is 3.78 is the test to 3.80 is the criteria is very good. Data on the implementation of the learning outcomes approach SSE observation sheet of the learning material climate change is defined by two observers. recapitulation of the observation of the implementation of learning presented in the following table. Can you see the table? Is the for the score to for the higher in preparation is the criteria is good for the classroom atmosphere. Classroom atmosphere is 30.33 is good. So next, about adapted for the PISA. PASA test data literacy science displayed in the form of the score and the level based on the PASA. The following table is the level of the science literacy. So can you see the table? Okay, for the define science learning with the approach of the science of the socio-scientific issue, SSE, on the matter of the climate change is valid, practical, and the effect. So it is worth use in learning to improve the science literacy of the junior high school student. Okay, enough from me. For why I'm review the for the 5 journal. This 5 journal or this for this from the 5 journal. It can be seen the problem based learning on the socio-scientific problem is the perfect for the training student. Scientific literacy skill because it is contextual, can stimulate student to focus to learning activity, and student can to training student to develop to problem solving skill in the everyday life. So in the addition, it is seen that a student considered the possible positive and negative effect of their decision, both from the themselves and the other when make a decision, and that this practice has the influence on their decisions, make process of the contribute to the data, collect the process to evaluate the problem, and can improve about the trouble when student to improve. So they explain what they learn through the scientific discussion. Okay, enough from me to presented presented to the review journal. When you have the question, can you comment? And enough from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.